Lion GT183 Gas Treatment Concentrate is a super concentrated formula that treats up to 21 gallons and also absorbs moisture and increases engine life. To use, simply remove the cap and pour entire chemical contents into the fuel tank. Lion concentrated additives treat up to 21 gallons and, like most fuel additives, are hazardous, so use caution. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.